Imagine opening up your newspaper one fateful morning and the headline makes you choke on your breakfast. The newspaper reads, "The sun is being swallowed by a black hole." You sit in shock as you try to fathom how our eternal lifeline is drifting toward an invisible executioner, silent and merciless. Gravity will tighten its grip, light will begin to stretch and tear, and the very heart of our solar system will be dragged toward the abyss. When the sun falls, so does every ocean, every breath, every spark of life on Earth. Within just 8 minutes, the unthinkable happens. The familiar glow of daylight begins to fade, not like a sunset, but like a dying heartbeat. The last trembling rays of sunlight flicker across the horizon, then are swallowed whole. Suddenly, Earth is cast into a suffocating endless night. A darkness so absolute, so final, it feels alive, pressing against every window, every shadow, every soul, forever. Without the sun's pull, our planets lose their leash. Earth breaks free, drifting into the abyss. The elegant clockwork of the solar system shatters, planets veering wildly like marbles scattered across a dark floor. Stars grow colder and more distant as Earth sails aimlessly, a ghost ship adrift in the endless sea of space. Within a week, temperatures plunge. The world hardens into a frozen tomb, oceans sealed beneath monstrous, expanding sheets of ice. Then, before we even realize it, we gasp for air. The atmosphere itself is unraveling, collapsing around us. The cold deepens, merciless and unrelenting. Survival is no longer a choice. It's a race against extinction. Life will be forced beneath the surface and become a haunting echo of what once was. Inside massive steel caverns buried beneath the bones of a dying Earth, humanity endures, not living, but surviving. The air tastes of metal and memory. The walls hum with the constant thrum of failing machines. Geothermal veins and flickering nuclear cores offer faint warmth, but no comfort. Above, the planet lies silent, frozen, fractured, and forgotten. A graveyard of light where the sun no longer rises, and hope feels like a myth whispered in the dark. Our sun is the heartbeat of our lives. It is the burning pulse that keeps our world alive. Without it, Earth would break free, drifting aimlessly through an ominous void like a frozen corpse. And if a sinister black hole consumed it, the destruction wouldn't end there. It would disturbingly devour everything. Our warmth, our light, our future, dragging humanity into an endless night from which there is no return. This has been Dr. Rowe's Chaotic Earth, a reminder that the unthinkable is not far away, and only the prepared will endure.